Alright, so today we're going to join these two boards together right here. This will be simple fundamentals of woodworking right here. All I'm going to be using today is just my Shelton. I don't know if you can see this here. It's a Shelton number 41 hand plane. And that's what I'm going to use to join these two together. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark these. Just like so, just a few little pencil marks so I can determine what's my face side and my bottom side. And what I'd like to do, I take a pencil trick here. I'll take this pencil, prop it up underneath my board here, and then I clamp it with my fingers and transfer it into the bench vise. After that, then I got my hand plane set up. I'm gonna make a few passes on this, and then it should be beautiful. Now let me set my blade depth a little bit. A little bit deeper. And just a few passes, and that's it. And I'm gonna try to get them lined up here. Then you got two beautifully joined. Alright, now that I got these planed out, now I'm gonna take my clamps that I got here, my Bessie clamp, or my Jorgensen, I mean. Let's see if I can get them in here in the picture. See if I can get them lined up for you. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys closer here. You can see this. You see there's no gaps in between that joint right there. So that's how you can test it before you can clamp it up and glue it. So if you want to pre-put them in the clamps just to be sure all your gaps and little ridges and valleys are gone, so there's no little air gaps or light gaps. You can hold that up to the ceiling where you got lights in your shop, and if you see any sorts of little light gaps, you'll have to get that imperfection out before you clamp it and glue it down here. And that's all I got here.